Hi, I'm Anslie Mouchet. I'm a licensed cosmetologist at Salon 27. Today I'm going to show you how to treat hair damaged by straightening. Be sure to wet the hair thoroughly. Get the water hot. Use a moisturizing conditioner, rub it all in. Rinse that out. Add the K-Pack moisture. Concentrating on the ends. Set under the dryer for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse it out and style as usual. There you have it. I'm Anslie Mouchet and I just showed you how to repair hair damage from straightening.